here, first of all, as soon as you log in into the Teamnest portal, within the employee section, you will have access to My Profile. Now, this My Profile is nothing but the employee self service where the entire employee's information is saved, right from their personal to their organization, experience, education, all their data is saved over here. Now, initially, when we will hand over the portal to you, the data of the employees will already be there. But just in case, if the employee wants to make any changes, they can do themselves. So they can make the relevant changes over here. They can click on this button over here. They can make any changes pertaining to their basic information over here and they can save it. So whatever changes the employees are making in My Profile, it will then go to the concerned HR person for approval. And once the HR approves it, then only that data will be updated in the system. So the employees can update their personal details. Similarly, accommodation details and contact details can be changed by the employees as per the requirement. Now, within the organization, the employees can view the various information pertaining to their organization, and they can only view these details in this part. Over here, they can view their to which organization unit they belong to, what is their role in the company, their master policy applicable, their work type, reporting managers, their onboarding and exit details. They can view it over here. The various assets which are provided by your organization to that employee, they can view them. Now, in case if the employee wants to initiate their resignation, they can click on this initiate resignation button. They can mention the reason for resignation and they can submit. So, whenever an employee initiates the resignation, it will then go to the concerned manager and to the concerned HR person. Whatever policies which are applicable to that employee will be visible to the employees over here. They can view the various policies, including the attendance, leave, holiday, expense, and the weekly off policies. Then, whatever work experience the employee has, they can update it over here. They can fill in these forms. They can even upload the supporting documents over here and they can save it. So, their entire experience information they can update in the system over here. Similarly, their education, so the various degrees, certifications that the employees have taken, they can update those details over here. They can upload the supporting documents as well and they can submit. So it will then go to the concerned HR for approval. So the document submissions can be done in this portal at this part. Now, within the miscellaneous, the employees can update their various UIDs like their driving license, passport details, PAN card details, or any other documents. They can update it over here. If required, they can even upload the supporting documents of the same. So, all this information the employees can update themselves over here. Similarly, they can update their family information, bank details, visas, medical history, and vehicle details. So whatever changes the employees have done in My Profile, this is where within the approval status they can check the status of the various changes they have done in My Profile. So whether it is still pending at the concerned HR's end, approved, cancelled, rejected, what is the status of the changes they have done in My Profile, they can view it over here. If required, the employees can even update their own profile picture. They can choose the relevant profile pic and update their profile pic over here. So this is regarding My Profile.